What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, PEZ released 2 full-body dispensers. They released Santa Claus and the robot. Space Trooper, if you will. We're talking about Space Trooper. That's another video. Please check that out if I have released it already. If not, we have this cool Santa dispenser. And his mouth opens up like the Canadians on South Park. Hey, guy. Hey, buddy. Alright, regardless. Here's the thing I want to show you on Santa. If you look at his face, see how his beard is? Well, that is the Austria version. I do not have a made in Germany version, but I will tell you how to identify it. On the back of the boot, right there, see where it says made in Austria? Let's get our little pointer. Yeah, right in there, made in Austria. What'll say made in Germany? And the German one was a different mold, and the easiest way for you to tell is the face. So this is the face of the Austria. If this is not the face you're looking for, then when you see one that doesn't look like this one, that is the made in Germany one. So there you go. Well, full body Santa action. Typical. See the residue there? Yeah. Very typical. You'll see that on a lot of them because they sandwich these pieces together. Unfortunately, this dispenser here. Hey, buddy. The inside sleeve is absolutely trashed. But it goes back in there. He rattles. And he says PEZ. Santa! I think you fell asleep. So until next time...